Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI features in Canva to generate images quickly and easily, completely free of charge. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Don't forget to like this video and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my future content. Step 1. Accessing Canva's AI image generator. First, go to canva.com. On the home page, you'll see a section labeled Make Me an Image in the middle of the page. Click on it. This will open Canva Dream Lab AI, where you can describe the image you have in mind. Canva will then generate a high-quality graphic based on your description. Let me show you how it works. Step 2. Understanding free and pro accounts. If you're using a free account, you get 20 AI image credits per day. Each generated image uses 1 credit. However, if you have a pro account, there are no limitations. You can create unlimited AI-generated images. Step 3. Choosing the right settings. Before describing your idea, first select the aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a social media post, I'll choose a 1:1 square format. Next, select a design style. Canva offers a variety of styles including cinematic concept art, creative bokeh macro illustration, 3D render fashion, minimalist. Choose the style that best suits your design. For this tutorial, I'll go with creative. Step 4. Generating an image. Using AI now, let's enter a description for the AI to generate an image. If you're unsure what to write, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with a detailed prompt. For example, I'll ask ChatGPT, give me a prompt to generate an image in Canva about house selling. ChatGPT provides a well-structured prompt. I'll copy it, go back to Canva, paste it into the text box, and click Create. Canva will now process the request. Just wait a few seconds. Step 5. Reviewing and editing your image. Once Canva generates the image, you'll see the results on your screen. If you like the image, you can select it for future edits. You can also add text, modify colors, resize elements, apply effects. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply click Generate Again to create a new version. Now, let's try generating another image using my own prompt. Car with straight road beside tree. Wow, that looks great. This image can be used for social media, marketing, or personal projects. Step 6. Downloading and editing your image. Once you're happy with your design, click the 3 dots menu, then select Download. If you want to make further adjustments, click Open in Editor, where you can add headlines, change colors, apply filters, adjust layouts, final thoughts. That's it. You now know how to generate free AI images in Canva. If you're using the free version, remember that you get 20 credits per day, meaning you can create 20 AI-generated images daily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.